Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla, and today you are going to learn how to get software job in software company. So it's the easiest way to getting in a software job in the industry, how you need to take a step-by-step process to reach your career success. If you are watching first time this video lecture, please do subscribe and support. I'm getting this such an information from ChatGPT, which is an AI tool to getting this great information. Let's see here. I'm trying to asking ChatGPT how to get placement in software company. So let's see how ChatGPT AI tool is also suggest for me. So let's see, it's a super easy technique which is saying that the right skills preparation strategy increasing your chances, like how the competitive world it is. So develop relevant skills. Software companies typically require technical skills such as programming, like Java, Python, C++, web development, database management skills, data analytics, software testing, among others. So many of the people are learning the same technologies and you are also learning. So what is the difference between among the others and you, which will make you master and in the proficiency in the education and online learning and coding bootcamps, how you will or self-study, how you will improve your career development skills. This you should cope up and try to improve. Second one, build a strong portfolio. Creating a portfolio in the software projects demonstrate you the skill expertise. So as an including like a project showcase and technical expertise demonstrating and solving real world problems. You can host your projects in like a GitHub or any other platform which is available to show others. So that will show you how you are in expert in your work area. So gain practical experience always by doing part-time jobs. Doing software development can provide you the valuable hands-on experience. Sessions is highly needed for your resume. Networking. So networking can be a powerful tool in finding job opportunities. Attend industry events, join online forums and communities related to the software development, connect with the professionals like building professional networks and can help you stay updated in job openings and highest experienced professionalism. Preparing for technical interviews. Many software companies require technical interviews as a part of requirement and recruitment process. So this process, which is the need a practical experience of a person, so like a coding exercises, algorithms, data structures, which are the fundamentals of computers, along with the web application, site development, life cycles, how the technically you are strong and how you are master in that particular skills. Research and target companies. So the research software companies that align you a career goals and interest, how you are interested in the new technology. So resume letters and each company highlights the relevant work experience, how you are having. They will show you an interest. Professionalism. So demonstration and the professionalism, which is the interacting with and punctual, reaching career goal, showing enthusiasm and passion in the software development during the interview process, that will gives you a mark. Continuous learning. In the field of software industry and the development area, when you are choosing as a career path, so always you need to learn much skills and always you need to continuous learner. So every day in the software industry which are coming in the like latest trends and updating technologies in the industry, so which you need to be ready to learn and apply such a skills to like improve your skill and making a master in the skill. So remember that securing a placement, software company takes time to effort. Be patient, keep improve and update your skills and open to learn from feedback and experiences. Wish you good luck and happy learning. If you are feel, yes, this video lecture is getting you help any point, please do subscribe and support us. Hari System is also offering many of online coding and development and backend courses. If you are interested, find below link to description. Enroll today and start learning your software job opportunities in the real world projects. Good luck. Thank you.